Hello Blaine, just wanted to record you a little video on the Hurricane 34. As you can see, it does have a slide on this side as well as the other. It's got an electric step, comes out when the doors open. Let me give you a quick little tour on the inside, show you the condition it's in. Carpet looks in really good shape, just no stains, no tears. The only flaw I really see in this unit is the seating in the front, which we're actually going to replace before we let people take it off the lot. We do have some overhead storage there. A nice leather chair. Couch that does make out into a bed. Nice dinette that drops down into a bed. And then you were saying the roominess. Hope you can kind of get an idea, but this is very, very roomy, having the opposing slides. Really nice cabinets, full extension, really good condition. Big double sink. A little bit of extra storage. Here's your control center. You actually fire up the generator in here. And it's got a unique with the door. When you're in the bedroom and you want your privacy, it actually locks into the hallway. You can see there's a little hole that it clicks into. But good sized bathroom, some storage, nice sink, a little bit more storage. But it's in really, really good condition. Only has 24,000 miles. Good sized shower. More storage there. Nice little area to get ready. Big closet, more storage. Bed is in a slide, so it gives you a little bit more room, and it's got some overhead cabinets there. And the bed does lift up for a little bit more storage there. Okay, so this is the Four Winds Hurricane 34. I'll send you some other videos as well.